think America can't find you?
No need, General. We're coming to America.
Contract says no weapons. Not on this kind of op.
Who needs to know?
General McGowan. But this might make you feel better. Little souvenir I picked up in Indonesia.
Thanks, Vic, but if I need a karambit for aerial recon, we've got bigger problems.
Can't hurt. Hey, where's Charlie with that sat phone?
Hey, sorry. Just putting the finishing bits of awesome on this puppy. Signal skips base combo completely.
What for?
Keeps the DOD types from backseat driving.
That's why you're here, kid. Sam. Let's move.
Uploading. We're in.
Teams, this is King. We are go.
Han says go.
Bishop says go. Knight says go. Rook is go.
Queen says go. Anything else, Chief?
Let Sarah know I'll be offline for a few days.
Sarah, she's still single, right? No? I'm gonna take that as a no.
Stop hacking base IT. We're guests here.
Yeah, but they make it so easy.
Video's up.
Engaging 2 hostiles.
I've got it. Site F encryption keys, 40 days until expiration.
Hostiles are down.
Let's go.
Bishop's been hit.
Jam everything and move out. The Blacklist is live. Now.
Anderson Tower, this is Paladin 02 requesting permission to lift off. Do you copy?
Radio up?
Radio's working fine. Anderson Tower, this is Paladin 02 requesting permission to lift off from Chopper Pad Alpha 9er. Well, we're behind. Fuck the protocol.
Need to make it back in time for McGowan's Texas Hold'em game?
How do you think I'm paying for the chopper?
Leave him. Bravo team, report.
Bravo is go.
Move in.
Holy shit! Mayday! Paladin 02, we're going down! Hang on!
We make the base.
Just outside the perimeter. Shake a leg. We're a big target out here.
Vic, give me a hand, I'm stuck.
Charlie, sat phone.
Yeah.
Holy shit, are you guys okay? What the fuck is happening?
Chopper's down. We're fine. Munitions depot must have been hit. Where are you?
Hiding under a truck with my laptop? Listen, guys, all the radio channels are down. It's gotta be an RF jammer. There's a signal northwest of you.
All right, you sit tight. We'll find the jammer. Come on.
Yeah, I'll bet those sons of bitches are using one of our jammers.
What makes you say that?
That's what I do. Eyes open, Sam. The guys behind this are pros. We're not even packing sidearms.
Drainage ditch will give us some cover.
Jesus, that's not mortar fire.
Sounded like Katyushas.
He's right there! I'm on it! Everyone spread out and keep search!
Vic, don't move.
Over there! Please, no!
Ah, shit. Okay, all clear. Quick, give me a boost up.
Copy.
It's one friendly, two hostiles. You take the one on the left, I got the right.
Hey,
Yeah.
get the camera going.
Bravo Company just bagged a corporal. Get him down now.
Because this one won't last much longer. Let's get that camera going.
Hey, come on. He's bleeding out, but he's not going anywhere if they're blocking Karma. I'll stabilize him. You take out the jammer.
All right, Vic. Good luck.
You know, the planes have the missiles. They can fight it all.
But they can die like anyone else.
This is the way they taught me in Iraq.
The instructor should be shot. We're going for maximum damage. Just what I need. Without the planes and the missiles, they can fight it all.
But they can die like anyone else.
Might must be busted.
All right, sit tight, kid. Let me get you some help.
Friendly. You know how to disable that thing?
I'm working on it. How's the kid?
Don't ask.
Charlie, we're in.
All right. All you need to do is disable the voltage oscillator and disrupt the competing signal.
Just hold still. No talking, okay?
Charlie, how about an on-off switch?
Do you see a blue button?
Yeah.
Hit it.
What are you saying? What are you telling me, buddy? What are you telling me? Jeez.
Jammer's offline, Vic.
You can't stop the Blacklist.
Grenade!
Word of a stunning attack on the massive U.S. military installation on the island of Guam.
The deadliest strike on a U.S. base since Pearl Harbor. A group calling themselves the Engineers has claimed responsibility.
Released an internet video complete with chilling footage from the attack to lay out their demands. They're calling the attacks the Blacklist.
The Blacklist.
The Blacklist.
America.
This is the Blacklist. The Blacklist.
One new attack.
Every 7 days.
We have one demand. You have soldiers in 153 countries. Bring your troops home.
Your troops home.
Now. Or every week, we will attack you. We will not negotiate.
You will not stop the Blacklist.
You have 7 days until the next attack. The choice is yours. We are the Engineers.
We are the Engineers.
What's our status?
Paladin 1 and the 4th Echelon team are ready, Madam President, but we can't locate Mr. Fisher.
His friend is fighting for his life. Find Victor Cost, you'll find Sam. Hundreds dead in Guam, a countdown to more attacks targeting America. The world is looking for answers, Mr. Fisher, and I don't have any. 4th Echelon needs to find them, and it can't do that without a leader.
It's distro, Vic. One of Vic's men comes with me, no questions asked.
You can have Charlie Cole. And Grimm's daughter has recruited one of the CIA's best for mission support, Isaac Briggs.
And Grimm is out.
She didn't want you on this mission either. Sorry, Sam, that's a non-starter. Nobody works better with you than she does. Welcome, 4th Echelon, Mr. Fisher.
It's pretty sweet, right?
First time in a plane?
No?
A deeper read with this engineers organization.
Nothing yet. Briggs and our contacts are isolating probable candidates.
What about the names? American Freedom, American Blood.
Potential attacks, each with a timer.
We got 5 days before American consumption.
And counting. We're running analytics to find the target locations as we speak. I'll get you up to speed on the plane.
Prototype military transport.
Loaded with custom modifications. Armory, infirmary, holding cell. Every resource that you'd have on the ground.
Fully mobile. It's like the good old days. Problem, Briggs?
Just got my subdermal radio put in. Felt like someone used a jackhammer.
This puppy makes Air Force One look like a paper airplane, hey Sam?
Do you want to discuss potential upgrades?
Later. Walk me through this.
News and internet data mining, predictive analytics, photo and video forensics.
Plus backdoors into foreign ELINT systems and facial recognition integration from the CIA, NSA, DCS, FBI.
All in real time.
This is what you were bragging about? Yes, am I?
Strategic Mission Interface. We've made significant improvements since the early system Charlie worked on. I'll let him get you up to speed.
The best thing is, you can control everything from right here or from your OPSAT when you're on the ground.
Impressive.
Okay, well, let me know if you need anything. I'm gonna check out my new digs.
Thanks, Charlie.
Hey, Sam. Almost forgot. Your OPSAT. New and improved. Sort of like your SMI Lite when you're on the ground. Data transmissions, drone controls, scanning.
Gotcha.
All you gotta do is slave it to the SMI, do a couple of calibrations, and you're good to go.
Thanks, Charlie.
A protester outside a U.S. military installation in Ansbach, Germany.
What do we have in Benghazi?
My contact is at a CIA safe house. They've detained a subject with intel on Guam, but no one gets to ask questions until they're done with him.
How'd they nab him?
They didn't. He just walked in their office.
Look, how do we know he isn't some psycho with a sick sense of humor? There's something you're not telling me?
Dude's name is Andrei Kobin. Does that mean anything?
Sam.
Whoa, wait. We know this guy?
What we need to know is what would make a wanted arms dealer turn himself into the CIA right after Guam.
All due respect, why don't we just leave the interrogation to the CIA?
You can forget the company man bullshit, Briggs. You're on our team now.
Understood.
Am I missing something?
He's our only connection to the engineers. We're not trusting this to someone else.
Who is Andrei Kobin?
Andrei Kobin pretended to kill my daughter to give someone leverage over me.
Whoa. How is he even still alive?
Good question.
What's our move, Sam?
Show me the safe house.
Really? Now that's a bad neighborhood.
I know, weird, right? Because usually the CIA tries to keep their Middle East ops super obvious.
Focus. Your best approach is through the bazaar here. You give the signal my contact departs the safe house, it'll be a clear run at Kobin.
It always looks easy on a screen, Grim.
To be clear, Sam, we are talking about an extraction, not killing him.
You're up. Show me viable positions for Overwatch.
Best sight lines are here and there.
Looks good. Grab a suppressed sniper kit.
Am I providing cover or am I taking out a target, sir?
Charlie, rustle us up some transport, would you? Somebody have blends, panel van?
You got it.
You didn't answer my question, Sam.
You just worry about a viable spot for exfil. Something here. Everyone clear? Let's make this prep quick.
Flight deck, we are go for Benghazi.
Grim says you gotta keep Kobin alive, so it's nothing lethal. Recommended gear starts with smoke and flashbangs, not frags.
Grim, give me a sit rep.
We've got a problem. I've been pinging my contact since you got on the ground. He isn't responding.
Briggs, you have a visual in the safe house.
I just got here. It doesn't look good. I'm seeing militia all over the plaza.
I'm entering the plaza. Militia's blocking the front door access.
Sam, you need to change position? Meet you on the ground?
Get eyes from the southwest corner of the plaza.
Copy. Moving now.
Grim, keep trying to reach our contact. Let me know if you get through.
Copy.
Can I help you?
Bathroom, you got one?
In the alley.
Shukran, baby. Any update from your contact?
Negative.
Militia's everywhere, Sam.
Told you this would get messy. Briggs, status.
Still moving, Sam. I'm seeing a lot of militia down there. Might get loud.
We'll keep it quiet as long as we can. Moving to the side entrance.
I hope you enjoyed this last one. If you'd stayed home like you should have, you'd get to have plenty more. Instead, you get between once, odds are you will end up dead. I'm sure this guy didn't want to defend that gutless coward Corbin either. If we could ask him, he wouldn't be dead. If we could ask him, he'd probably agree with you.
Aren't you the funny one? How long do we wait out here?
As long as we have to. We watch the exit. I see him!
Briggs, status.
Still moving, Sam. I'm seeing a lot of militia down there. Might get loud.
We'll keep it quiet as long as we can. Moving to the side entrance.
I hope you enjoyed his last one. If he'd stayed home like he should have, he'd get to have plenty more. Instead, he came here. Cuss him!
كويس شوي وكذا على ما اعتقد كويس تقريبا انا فهمت هيظبط ازاي. بتعمل ايه ورا؟ انت بتخرب التلفزيون. عاوز تعمل كده؟ لا انا عاوز اتفرج على التلفزيون. مش عارف بس خلص وصلت التلفزيون. هروح ابقي نظرة أخيرة وأشوف لو فاتتنا حاجة.
Sam, you've got multiple targets ahead. One on the balcony.
Is there a viable stealth approach?
Go into the room to your right. Out the window and traverse the ledge.
Nice work.
Sam, you've got multiple targets ahead. One on the balcony.
Is there a viable stealth approach?
Go into the room to your right. Out the window and traverse the ledge.
Nice work.
انت عاوز اتفضل. انت بقى جبت ايه؟ شوية الكترونات مكسرة بالرصاص الخطر على الهواتف الذكية. تفتكر؟
I'm in position, Sam.
Any sign of our contact?
You got anything out of your prisoner?
Roger that.
Yeah.
I'm in position, Sam.
Any sign of our contact?
Can't confirm.
Roger that.
You got anything out of your prisoner? Yeah. No, nobody's come looking yet. Hey, hang on 1 second. ليش عم تعمل هيك؟
تعمل شغلك انت وانا بعمل شغلي.
أنا اللي دبرت لك هالشغل يا بخشي. I'm working with idiots here. We didn't get anything else. You didn't want to talk. Yeah, they're searching the rest of it now. No trouble.
طلع من هونيك على الشباك.
ايه ده؟ استنى، ايه؟ سمعت صوت حدا. تمام، انا فعلا حاسس انه في حدا تاني معانا. هروح اشوف في ايه.
Nice work securing the package.
Roger that.
It's not him. You confirmed Coben was in here, Briggs.
Right place, right build, I assume,
Don't make assumptions when I'm on the ground. Clear?
Sam, talk to me.
Your contact's been made. He's dead.
You got more militia en route. Advise you move out, sir.
All right, I need options. Now would be good.
Give me a minute.
Oh yeah, it's all me, baby. Pass the phone through the ops hat. I can hack this cheap bootleg crap easy.
All right, Charlie, I'm patched.
Okay, yes.
Come on, Charlie.
Done. Wow, there is a lot of freaky porn on here.
We're looking for a location.
Right. I traced the call. Pushing the location to your ops hat now. Whoa, not good. It's a police station.
Briggs, prep for fast evac.
Roger that. Enemy transport dropping hostiles, at least a dozen.
Moving now.
I'll cover your exit.
Pull the blueprint on the police station. It's not good. Local militia took it over and fortified it.
Coben's our only shot at who's backing the Blacklist. We're not leaving here without him. Briggs, you copy?
You keep moving, I'll draw their fire.
Briggs, you can't stop them all. Change position.
Affirmative. I'm moving out. I'm uploading a shortcut to the police station. It'll be on your OpSat.
Roger that.
Spread out and search. I think the shooter's over there. Come and search with me. Spread out and search. ماشي.
Got multiple casualties. Find the hostile.
Help me with this search.
Sam, I'm seeing a high-value target. Single digits on Langley's most wanted. If you capture him, we'll arrange for pickup.
لا أنا مش قادر أسمعك. كده أحسن. لا مش ده. في
HVT secured.
Local authorities are alerted.
Grim, what's the best route to Coben?
Head down towards street level.
Got it.
أنت اللي عاوز كده. ما اعترفني. لا مش همشي. افتح الباب ده دلوقتي.
It doesn't feel like you're wearing a vest. HVT secured.
Local authorities are alerted.
Grim, what's the best route to Coben?
Head down towards street level.
Got it.
ما اعترفني. أنت اللي عاوز كده. اعترفني. لا أنا مش همشي. افتح الباب ده دلوقتي. ماشي. ما عملت شيء.
shoot?
Heads up, Sam. The police station's just around the corner.
Copy that. Briggs, what's your status?
I'm almost on site. I scoped out a rooftop 200 meters south of the police station. Eyes on the compound and the street out front.
It's unimportant. ايه اللي انا شاك
انت ايه ده؟
Don't do anything stupid.
No way in there. What do we do next?
Is it?
انا مش ناطق. هذا كان تقدر تسميه اي اسم انت عاوزه. عشان الحكام يقدر يسمع عشان بيخسروا بفرق هدفين بس. اياك الالعاب هاي.
ما تنفعش هنا. Everyone, spread out and search.
ايه؟
He's there! أنا مش ناطق. هذا كان عدم ضعيف. تقدر تسميه أي اسم أنت عاوزه. بس هو لسه محسوب. فريقكم محظوظ عشان الحكام يقدر يشتري. فريقكم محظوظ عشان بيخسروا بفرق هدفين بس. أياك الألعاب هاي. Cover me, I'm going in! I'm on it!
عشان بيخسروا بفرق هدف. يا العبار.
ايه؟
انت give me a hand over here.
Sam, what's your status?
I'm inside, making sure I'm not followed. You have a lock on Coben's location?
Best bet is a secure interrogation room. Top floor. Outside.
Briggs, pull out. Pick up the van and rendezvous at extraction.
Copy that.
I'm going in.
ايوه في حد موجود فيه وانا المسألة موجودة فيه واضح استنى سمعت صوت ايه
ايه
شو
انا مضيف العمل سنتحدث اليوم مع عن الاحتجاجات الاخيره.
If they've set up shop in the police station, they've set up computers. Plug in your op site if you find one, and we should be able to get some useful data from it.
One more time. Why did you run to the Americans?
I told you it has nothing to do with you. Nothing, I swear to God!
So, you are saying we are not important enough to turn us in? Is that it?
No, I'm not saying that. No. What I'm saying...
Yalla.
Is
You talk too much.
I thought you wanted me to!
Don't think. It gets you in trouble.
Oh, God! Okay! Fucking told them everything, okay?
I've located Coben.
Is he alive?
For now.
Don't kill me! Thank you. Who are you? CIA? Oh, you have got to be fucking shitting me! Fisher, if this is about what happened in D.C.
Shut up.
Sam, what's happening?
No, don't! You here to save me?
I'm here to save what you know. Sit.
Sam, it's about to get ugly. Local talent's closing on your position.
Package is secure. Briggs, what's your 20?
Inbound with the van.
Holy shit, he is here to save me.
Move. Now.
Ow!
Let's go.
You'll keep me safe, right?
يمكن يكونوا حمام مبدئيين.
Are you kidding me? I'm not even wearing shoes. Move. The hell, man?
Grab on.
What? Why?
Do it.
Go! Holy shit!
Briggs, we're inbound now.
Our account balance has been updated.